let's start together. We are on page 187, exercise number 1. Here we have a frequency or a table. Here the following table shows the number of hours that the set of 50 students study in a day. So here we have set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and the frequency of each one. Okay, so here we have our axis. Here the first one is x axis that represents sets, and y axis represents what? The frequency. Here the first set, here we have 2, then 4, so each square here represents one set, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. Here on our table, as we see here, the frequency 8, 13, 15, 13, 1. So I divided it, or I make it or determine it with even numbers. So I write it here on my y-axis, all even numbers. So here starting with 2, then 4, then 6, 8, 10, and so on. Okay, then the first column or the first set, here we have set 2 with 8. So here our set is 2 with 8. So here in our, here our column starting with set 2 here till I reach to the second set. So this is with my pencil. Then by using my ruler I draw, the line. Okay, so starting with my first set till the next set. Okay, then I wanted to draw here set 4. How I draw set 4? Here set 4, 13. So here in my axis or y-axis, where is 13? Here 13 between 12 and 14. So here I will make here like this small or light line like that, then clothe it with my ruler to what? To the next set. To the next set. So here that's represent what? My second set. Then I wanted to draw set 6. Set 6 here 15. Where is 15 here? Yes, between 14 and 16. So here in the middle. So here in the middle I will make it with my pencil. Then here like that. Then by using my ruler I will close this column like that. Then I wanted to draw set 8. Set 8, 13. So here 13, as I said, between 12 and 14. So here with my pencil like that, then clothe it or draw it by my ruler. So this is set 8. What about the last set, set 10? Here 1. So here 1. Where is 1? Here I set for you, here this is 0. Okay, so this point is 0. So here 1 between 0 and 2. Here the small or in the middle. So here our set. So here by using my pencil and ruler to the next set, because this is all of this represent set 10. Now I finish our drawing, okay, for exercise number 1. Then let's go to exercise number 2. This exercise homework, okay, but I will show you how to divide this number. Okay, here our table, set 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and the frequency of each one. Okay, and on this paper I'm starting with 30 because this is set. Teacher, here 0, but you start on with 30, yes, because it's set. So 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on. And here I will determine my number, all of them even. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. So make it as your homework. Then let's go to exercise number 3. Here, exercise number 3 on the same page. The following data represent the marks of what in a mathematical test for students in a classroom. Set here we have set 0, the frequency of it, 6, and set 10, yes, 10, and then set 20, 15, set 30, 20, set 40, 8, and set 50, yes, 4. Okay, so I will draw it, then I will answer the question. Here, the first set here, here I draw the x-axis and y-axis. The x-axis represent what? Yes, represent sets. And the y-axis represent what? Frequency. Yes. How to determine the points on my axis? Here, starting with what? Here, I will start with, here, this set is set 0. Okay, again, this is very important. This set represent 0. Okay, why? Because I set for you the meeting point between the two axes, 0. Then set 10, then 20, then 30, then 40, and so on. And here I will determine my frequency. Here, all of them even number. Okay, because most of the frequency in my table even numbers, so I make it like that. The first set is 0. Tell what? Here the frequency 6. So here from 0, here 6. So I will draw with my pencil like this line. Tell here from set 0, tell the next set here set 10. So I will draw, yes, this is my first column. Then set 10 here, set 10 on my table. Yes, it's what? It's 10. So here with my pencil, I will draw a line like that. Then close it to represent my column. Then set 20 here, it's 15. Where is 15? 15 here between 14 and 16. So here I will make here as a line like that. Then close it to the next set. So teacher, that means this column represents set 20? Yes. I will starting with here 20 till I reach it to the next set. Okay? Then set 30 is what? Is 20. So here, where is 20? Here. So I will make it like this small line. Then I close it. So here, this is represent my set 30. Yes. What about set 40? It's 8. So here, 8 represent the small one like that. Then what about the last one? Set 50. Set 54. So here, I will draw it here. So this, now I finish my histogram. Let's together solve the question. Here he said in the book, read it with me. The number of students whose marks are less than 20 on this table. Here, less than 20. How many students less than 20? Let's here, less than 20. Here we have 20. That meaning here I didn't reach to what? To the 20. Here I didn't reach to 20 here because this set represent 20 or more. Okay, again, this is represent 20 or more. So I will take this two sets only, set 0 and set 10. So 6 plus 10 give me, yes, 16 students. Question number 2, read it with me. The number of students whose marks are 40 or more. So I will take 40 with me. So starting with 40 or more. So I will take 40 and 50. So 8 plus 4 equal, yes, 12 students. Yes. Now we finish exercise number 3. Let's start on the next exercise.